Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to always show or hide the bookmarks bar or favorites bar in the Microsoft Edge web browser. So this should be a pretty straightforward and quick tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Microsoft Edge browser if it's not already open, and go select the three-dotted icon near the top right corner of the browser screen here, and you want to go left click on that. Select the settings option near the bottom, should have a little gear icon next to it. In the search settings field over on the left side, you want to go type in favorites. And underneath customize browser, it should say show favorites bar, as well as show favorites button. So you can customize this if you want to turn it on or off, just toggle it to either the on or the off position. And show favorites bar, if you click inside the drop down, you can show it always by selecting the always button, or you could show it never by selecting never. So again, pretty straightforward. So again, pretty straightforward process there, guys, from how to do that. Thanks for watching, guys, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.